Hey yo, it's Chris O. So what we're doing now is I've just laid the bottom row. What I'll be doing is going up that whole wall with fullies, and then you come back and cut your sides in, because you cut them, or you can cut them now all the same, which isn't silly either. It's fast as well, but I like to not change and just do fullies all the way, and then come back and lay that side up there and then that side up there. It works for me. This also works for me, people. This is a biggie. The armchair critic goes, oh, he's not burning his glue in. Well, I don't know where they've learnt that, but it's just a saying and it doesn't mean anything at all. Burn your glue in, what a lot of shit. I do like to keep my glue lines vertical though, because if you do get any water, it will run down those lines. In Australia, people are using this 6x3 a lot. I'm not sure, well, I haven't looked where they come from, but I have a fair idea, and that's China. Everything's made in China, which is cool. I have no qualms about that. It's all a cut tile, so it's deadly accurate. These clips I use are a softer plastic, so I don't have to pull out my squeegee, my thingy-doodle to clamp them together. The wedge. They're a soft plastic, and they bend quite well. If you have a wall that's too in and out and you're not able to spread, I got asked this question a little while ago. If it's super in and out and up the shit, just slap some glue on, get your straight edge like that, and fill in your big holes. See, that's got a slight bend in it, but it doesn't have to be absolute super perfect. If you're using a 12 to 15 mil notch trowel, you take that 2 mil whoop out easily. Bang them up DIY. See this? It's all been worked out. I'll show you. Years ago, DIYs, I used to daub my tile. Years ago, there's no need for it anymore. You don't have to save money on glue. If you've priced your job well enough and properly, you shouldn't have to try and save money on glue. No. See that? Bloody beautiful. But years ago, when the price was crapolo, there was a lot of daubing going on, but it doesn't really achieve anything. It's not very often I check that. I've been doing it for a long time and it's pretty well right all the time, like it is there. I like it a lot. Okay people, I'm just going to cut around that pipe. It doesn't have to be a fancy cut because it's all covered with the backboard of the vanity. So I'll slap those in, carry on up. I don't have to plumb a line up here. That's unnecessary because I'm dead level. When you're dead level, you will be dead plumb, people. See you soon.